What me people are deal with? Wagwan. Alright, you know your gloves man, you know it's another shell you know. And another informative video as well. So here Wagwan, we have one 2009 AD wagon. It is a Nissan. So we are change some brake shoe. Yeah, brake shoe. For those who mix up brake shoe with this part work at front, brake shoe work at back. Some vehicles use front and back this part, but this is a drum brake vehicle, so this brake shoe at the back. Anyway, we have, well, this one, it is a double spring, meaning normally you'd have one spring if you join the two shoe together. Well, one main spring if you join the two shoe them together. Well, this we have a double. This one is a double one, so there is one at the front, one at the back. So the tension on this thing is way different, and you can't just normally you don't have to fly each component individually. With this one, they actually have to. These one you actually have to. Alright, see me. One man not gonna approach me, I have to lock up in my van for do the part of video, so that have to the pause. Anyway. Alright. Each drum or each brake shoe you have two set of shoes. You have one piece of the shoe is for the adjustment and the other piece of the shoe, well, in my case, my experience is just, you know, the other piece. Well, this piece in my hand is the adjustment piece of the brake shoe. So the adjustment piece of the brake shoe is where the handbrake is connected to. Anyway, we have some garage chronicles coming up. Stay tuned.
Yes, I want to print to me. I had to go there and clip it and pick up now.
Where say about the bike man them?
And apart from the obstruction of traffic.
A man they are blocking a garage, I know by next week him brown.
Hey,
bleach out.
I'm put it there. I put it there. You see your cars? You see your cars? No, I'm here right back. Ow! You see? Yo! Look how me I get blamed for. And I put it there with me. I'm here right back.
Fire away, step next year, sir. Hey, there is a this man going to come trouble. Look. There man say be about to jar so say run about there. Man say be about to jar so run about there, sir.
Anyway, not see yourself. Yeah? I know your nice style.
The first time my boss gets shot. And the second time, that time 19.
Oh, hey, tap to him.
Hey, him depend on what you have to take for back. Yeah.
I want back in the same one. I'm going over you.
You know easy.
I'm from style, a couple times, honestly.
This bad, really a trouble here. The man say, but he jar do it, you know, man. So, man,
Easy. Start on top of load.
man say, okay, man, you care business every minute, man. Yes.
Body can't feel. You know, come who them? Them is right on them. You right on them, you know what?
Alright, back with the walkthrough of the video. Anyway, here you wanna see me assemble the shoe them. Now this is, as I said before, this is the handbrake. This is the handbrake cable side of the shoe. Now that spring is a retainer, so that spring actually holds the shoe in place firmly, so you don't move, you don't rattle, and so forth. Anyway, the gloves didn't make it a bit difficult, but it kind of hard. I broke myself in a regular gloves, so nonetheless I fight through. Now this is the other side, or the other piece of the shoe. So you can see I am putting the necessary components back together.
Yeah, we just come to the test like, we want to fix our light on here. Yeah, I can't go and come on. Yeah, my business can't come tomorrow. You can't come tomorrow. Me have a gear man, I can't tell you. Me make it.
In my hand here is the adjuster.
Oh God.
This is the piece that when you know after a while you feel like you pull your handbrake, you get too much clicks, or even if a foot brake, when you sink your foot, you get too much clicks going to the floor. This is the piece that controls all adjustment. So this is the piece the mechanic, when you go and ask the mechanic to adjust your brake, or him suggest that your brake be adjusted, this is the piece that does that work. And that's how you do it.